My last video showed how I used solar panels to charge our electronic vehicle. I mentioned how this caused interference to my radio equipment. Here I would like to talk about how much progress I made on reducing the interference. My system uses 8 320 watt solar panels to charge 4 100 ampere hour batteries. I used a Renogy 1 core inverter in this system. This is certified to be FCC Part 15 Class B certified. According to my results, there's no way this could have passed that test. I installed ferrite chokes in all the leads as per the manual. This is the result of when I first turned the unit on. This is on the 40 meter amateur band, and you can see huge spikes every 60 kilohertz. Basically, reception for the entire amateur band was wiped out. I was able to reduce the RFI some by installing a Powerline filter from Amazon. You can see it installed here with an additional large toroid to reduce noise. Next, I built a Faraday cage to go around the entire system. I expected a big improvement, but really didn't see much improvement at all. Adding more ferrite chokes after the Faraday cage and improving the grounding system seemed to provide some improvement. With much effort, this is where I ended up on the 40 meter band. You can see huge interference spikes every 60 kilohertz and about 60 dB of additional noise added across the entire band. In summary, the Part 15 certification for the Renogy inverter didn't seem to mean anything, and there's no way it should have passed.